The earliest Islamic law in 9 states had been recorded in 1887, which includes the history of the state Sharia courts in Negeri Sembilan state, starts in 1893 with the establishments of the court judge by order of the judge, which given name is Establishments and Courts Power of Criminal and Civil. In 1948, the Judge Court was separated from the administrations of the Federal Court and placed under the administrations of Religious Affairs Department of the Islamic Negeri Sembilan State. 1960, High Judge Court and Judge Court has been established in accordance with the implementations of Islamic Religious Administration's enactments in Negeri Sembilan States in 1960. During the year, positions of judges have been also created, consisting of Chief of Judge Court, Judge of Districts and Regions, and has established a Committee of Court Appeal. In 1991, the administrations of Muslim Law Act was enacted in Negeri Sembilan State. When the administrations of the Sharia Court was separated from Jabatan Hal Ehwal Agama Islam Negeri Sembilan and has its own special administrations called Jabatan Kehakiman Syariah Negeri Sembilan, terms Qadi were transferred to the judge and consists of Chief of Syariah Judge of the Sharia High Court and Sharia Subordinate Court Judge Districts. Committee of Court Hearings was converted to a panel of Sharia Appeal Court Judge. Dato Haji Baharum bin Hasbullah was appointed as the first Chief Sharia Judge in 1965. In general, the establishments of the Sharia Court in Malaysia placed under the state administration is stipulated in List 2 of the 9th Schedule of the Constitutions. Sharia Court has given the executive power based on Article 121, 1A of the Federal Constitutions. Through this, the source of power, the state government, through the approvals of the Legislative Assembly, has enacted legislations relating to the Sharia Court. Establishments of Sharia Court of Negeri Sembilan has been provided in Sections 55 of the Administrations of the Religions of Islam Negeri Sembilan 2003. Among the laws that apply at the time now are Jabatan Kehakiman Syariah Negeri Sembilan hierarchy consists of 3 courts of the Sharia Appeal Court, the Sharia High Court and Sharia Subordinate Court. Sharia Appeal Court, Sharia High Court and Sharia Subordinate Court Seremban are located in the same locations. The Sharia Subordinate Court districts are also located in each districts. For the Sharia Appeal Court, it has jurisdictions to review and hear appeals against decisions of more cases and criminal decided by the Sharia High Court. Meanwhile, the Sharia High Court that it has jurisdictions to review and hear appeals on more cases and criminal decided by the Sharia Subordinate Court. Besides, it also has jurisdictions under the Sharia Criminal Offences Enactments of Negeri Sembilan State. The penalty can be imposed on the offender is a fine not exceeding Ringgit Malaysia 5,000 or imprisonment not exceeding 3 years or both. It also jurisdictions to hear and determine all cases with the claims of more than 100,000 Ringgit Malaysia. Among the cases heard in the High Court claims Sharia is like child custody, matrimonial, property, claims, demands and other grants. Sharia Subordinate Court has the power to hear any Sharia criminal case is provided under Sharia Criminal Enactment Negeri Sembilan with a maximum penalty of a fine not exceeding Ringgit Malaysia 3,000 or imprisonment for 2 years or both. For civil cases, Its jurisdictions to hear the claim which are similar to Sharia High Court jurisdictions, and the amount in dispute does not exceed ringgit Malaysia 100,000. Among the cases to be discussed are the divorce application, fasakh applications, alimony, custody of children, and others. The new complex of Sharia Judiciary Department Negeri Sembilan consists of Sharia Appeal Court, Sharia High Court, Sharia Subordinate Court, Seremban, and the administrations. Has been operating on May 2nd, 2013. The 5 floors complex worth about 28 million ringgit Malaysia is characterized by Islamic design and contemporary Minangkabau. The complex is located in Bandar Seri Sendayan, provides complete facilities such as local registration counter with more trial chambers with comfortable ambience, the premier meeting room, prayer room, room for child custody, library, room for Sharia prosecutor, and others. The complex opening ceremony was officiated by His Majesty the Yang di-Pertuan Besar Negeri Sembilan Darul Khusus Tuanku Muhriz Ibni Almarhum Tuanku Munawir on January 30, 2014. Negeri Sembilan Sharia Judiciary Department is committed to providing excellent service based on the visions and missions of the department. With this commitment, the department will continue to provide best quality services in line with the visions of the government and the key performance indicator. We are ready to provide the service and hospitality fair and satisfactory in the following matters. In order to facilitate service to customers, the functions of the state judiciary has been divided into 2, which are special functions and public functions. Jabatan Kehakiman Syariah Negeri Sembilan placed under the patronage of Duli Yang Maha Mulia Yang di-Pertuan Besar Negeri Sembilan, while Chief Judge is the head of the department, who lead the administrations and managements of the department. To launch the management administrations of the departments, Chief Judge has been assisted by the Registrar General. The department is divided into 2 main sections: Administration of Justice and Management Services and Human Resource. Judicial Administration Divisions consist of the Sharia Appeal Court, the Sharia High Court, and Sharia Subordinate Court districts. The Management Services Divisions and Human Resources both sections Family Support Divisions, Records Unit, Administrations, Finance Unit, Information Technology, and Resource Center. This unit is responsible for the Suluh Council. Suluh Council is a joint discussions between the parties involved in the presence of Suluh officers based from the Suluh manual which has been set. The unit is to assist the parties involved solve the dispute through negotiations by mutual agreements without the need to attend the hearing. It also helped the court to expedite the dispositions of cases, thus greatly reducing the incidence of cases pending. Recognizing the critical situations of neglect cases, Sharia Court order relating to the payment of alimony, the Family Support Division section created to help provide legal advice and enforce the order decided by the court. It helps resolve conflicts faced by single mothers and their children as a result of non-compliance with an alimony or maintenance order by the parties involved. In addition, it also channels in assistance for living or advanced maintenance to the mother in the children who qualified in a certain period of funding sources in accordance with the Islamic law. The failure of obey the alimony will cause the parties involved imprisonment for 30 days. The research unit was created to assist the Chief Judge and the judges of the Sharia High Court judgments in the preparations and research for cases that are still in the trial proceedings. Thus, the grounds of the judgment produced can be increased in terms of quantity and quality. In addition, it also helps the judges to obtain information from legal sources and Islamic law in relation to an issue. Information Unit and Resource Center serve to maintain, monitor, and ensure the e-Sharia system always operating in smooth conditions. Moreover, it is also responsible for developing and updating the department's website, network system, ICT hardware maintenance, providing technical advice, and managing resource center. This unit responsible for managing the records of the receipt, storage, productions and binary case management records according to procedure which has been set. The effect of the existence of this unit record system department became more organized and systematic. E-Sharia is an integrated case management system and integrated in the handling of cases of Sharia courts. The objective of the e-Sharia established is intended to provide facilities through the Internet to disseminate information services provided by the Sharia court. Access in online information such legislations, the process of filing cases, Fara'id calculator, and other facilities such as e-forms and scholarly references. This electronic network links to Sharia courts in all states with the Department of Sharia Judiciary Malaysia and other agencies within and outside the country for the purpose of coordinations and information sharing. It provides interactive facilities for the public and expedites all matters between the courts, clients, and agencies involved. Meanwhile, Jabatan Kehakiman Syariah Negeri Sembilan has introduced counter services or one-stop center whereby the registrations and payment of fees in the case of the Sharia High Court and Sharia Subordinate Court will be done in the same place. The waiting room is more spacious and equipped with a queue number system. It can provide satisfactions to our customers.